Hello everyone, it's me DGB Israel, and once again welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to J Heart Music with Antidote Band, ang kanilang cover song na Desert Moon, popularized by none other than of course Janice DeYoung. Ayan, published 1 year ago with 2,200,000 views. I'm so excited to this cover song kasi live performance po ito ni J Heart Music. Kaya naman, excited na ako kasi Desert Moon is one of my favorite songs na laging kinakanta sa karaoke. Kaya let's go, pakinggan na natin na kanilang cover kasi napakahusay po nitong J Heart Music with Antidote Band. Okay, let's go! Ang ganda talaga ng Desert Moon. Grabe!
Is this a train to Desert Moon? Was all she said. But I knew I've heard that stranger's voice before.
Galing!
I turned to look into her eyes, but she moved away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak my name. They say first love never runs dry.
Ay, ang ganda ni ate. Oh.
The waiter poured the memories into tiny cups. We stumble over words we long to hear. We talk about the dreams we've lost or given up. When the whistle cut the night,
I love it.
and shook silence from our lives as the last train roared towards the moon. Those summer nights when we were young, we bragged of things we never done. We were dreamers.
Wow, ang ganda.
Only
Grabe.
dreamers. And in her haste to grow too soon, we'll have for innocence. Under the moon we were dreamers. Only dreamers. Under the moon. Under the moon.
Grabe, ang ganda nung ang ganda nung performance na ito, live
Desert
band.
Moon.
Wow! Ang galing ni J Heart! I love it!
The summer nights, it echoes in the corners of my heart. The night we stood and waited for the desert train. All the words we meant to say, all the chances swept away, still remain on the road to the doom. Those summer nights when we were young, we bragged of things we never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers.
galing ng gitarista. My God! I love it! Wow! Kinikilig ako kay Jay. Ang galing! Ang galing ng voice niya, may pagka-husky. Wow, ang galing. Ang galing ng band na ito, promise. Wow! Kuhang-kuha talaga yung Desert Moon. Grabe. Sarap manood dito. Wow! Jay, I love it. Grabe yung yung performance dito ni Jay Heart, no? Sobra kong na-appreciate yung talagang talagang kuhang-kuha nila yung Desert Moon, and of course yung pagka-husky ng voice ni ni Jay Heart. Grabe, sobrang galing. Para ko narinig yung voice ni Reds Verano. O ayan, o diba, Jay Heart, ang ganda ng performance dito ng ng Jay Heart Music with Antidote Band. Okay, so ang ganda din ni Miss Girl, o diba, hindi ko alam yung name niya pero super ganda niya. Para ko nakita si Julian San Jose, o diba, and ayan, ano ba masasabi ko, napakaganda ng live performance na to. Considering na live performance to, one of the best live performances na napanood ko, and sobrang husay ng harmony, ng beat, and of course yung rhythm niya talagang grabe. Kuhang-kuha niyo po ang Desert Moon. Kaya once again, ayan, sobrang congratulations sa inyo, Jay Heart, kasi napakaganda po ng cover song niya na ito, and more cover songs pa. At ang dami kong nagustuhan ng mga cover songs nila dito, kasi way back 80s, magto-throwback years na naman tayo dito. Anyway, ayan, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from Jay Heart Music, of course, don't forget to subscribe. Jay Heart Music, ayan, 650,000 na po yung kanilang subscribers, at mag-enjoy po kayo sa mga cover songs nila, okay? Ayan, if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to keep your thumbs up, and if you're just new on my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the tiny bell button, all notification bell, to get notified on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe also aking po DJB Diwata. Ayan, marami kayong mga cover songs na ginawan ko na reaction video na mapapanood nyo po dyan, okay? So bye bye everyone, hope to see you again on my next vlog, and once again, this is DJB Israel saying thank you so much for always watching my reaction video. Kahit madalang po ako makapag-upload dito, kasi doon ako nakakapag-upload palagi sa aking channel na DJB Diwata, okay? So ayan, bye bye everyone, please subscribe. I love you all.